Vivek, what's another piece of advice you would tell someone that is yet to buy their first property here in Chicago?
Do your research and do your due diligence, period. You know, the one thing that I would say about Chicago, you guys have done great, and it can be quite lucrative, but you know that there's a cost of doing business as well. You know, we didn't talk about it today, but there's city code violations that you could get stuck with and things like that. And just trying to understand, you know, the RLTO, understanding, you know, making sure your property is, you know, in good working order, so you're not going to see hiccups, doing your due diligence, you know, hiring the right team. I'm not just saying an attorney, but, you know, real estate agents, et cetera, that know what they're doing when you're going and investing and buying that first property. I'll use a quick example. Mark knows all about this. Like, I inherited some cases where I had some owners who got stuck in housing court where they inherited, where they bought a property and they were actually paid $1,500 from the owner to not do an inspection of the property from out of state. You know, common sense would tell you, hey, why is somebody paying me not to inspect this property? I mean, this is a pretty big purchase, right? I mean, especially, you know, your individuals on their own do this, what, 3 or 4 or 5 times in their whole lives for themselves. If you're an investor, you know, and it's your first time, learn the nuances. That's it. That's the key. And create a team and trust them.